Hey, what is up guys? In this video I'm going to experiment on brand new iPhone X. Guys, now you can see it's a working real iPhone, and now I'm going to put this iPhone on Firecracker and then we will see it will survive or not. So now guys, we are going to put this firecracker on fire. Lighter, we are going to burn. To burn. Now we are checking this iPhone is working or not. Just look at this. You can see this screen is totally smashed, and it's also came out and its power button is also not working, and you can see iPhone is not survived. So guys, if you enjoy this video, then hit the like button
and smash the subscribe button.
So guys, we will see you in next video. We are also going to put iPhone over test with the big bomb. So guys, thanks for watching. Say peace.